Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve chat not sending messages on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve chat not sending messages on Facebook, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about Facebook. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Facebook. If you'll find here updating this blue sign, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.